Welcome to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the most beautiful beaches in Gran Canaria, Spain, Playa de Amadores. Located in the southwest of the island, this beach is famous for its soft white sand and wonderfully clear blue water. Surrounded by majestic mountains, Playa de Amadores offers a peaceful space, ideal for relaxing and enjoying the sun. The people here are very friendly and hospitable, with diverse cultural influences from different European countries. They not only meticulously take care of the beach but also bring warmth and closeness to visitors, making Playa de Amadores an ideal destination for those who want to experience a relaxing holiday in a community full of affection and hospitality. Under the bright yellow sunlight, girls in bikinis enjoy every moment at the beach. They relax on sun loungers or stroll along the beach, gliding through the cool water and letting the sea breeze blow through their hair. The cheerful atmosphere, laughter, and the sound of waves blend together, giving visitors a wonderful feeling of comfort and happiness. This is truly an ideal place to enjoy the beauty of nature and perfect relaxation. Under the clear water, small coral reefs and seaweed can be found, important elements that contribute to maintaining the ecological balance of the area. Corals not only provide shelter for small marine species, but also help protect the coast from erosion. The combination of terrestrial and aquatic flora adds to the beauty and ecological value of Playa de Amadores, making it not only an attractive destination but also full of natural vitality. Marine tourism plays an extremely important role in the economy and culture of Spain. With a coastline of more than 5,000 kilometers, the country has many beautiful beaches, from the Mediterranean coast to the Atlantic coast, attracting millions of tourists every year. Beaches like Playa de Amadores not only contribute to generating a large source of income from tourism, but also create many job opportunities for local people. Thank you for joining us to explore the wonderful beauty of Playa de Amadores and different seas around the world. If you love exploring beautiful destinations and want to continue watching other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from the Wandering channel. Your support is the greatest source of encouragement for us to continue bringing interesting and colorful trips.